Today I'm going to show you exactly how to import your character into Godot and set up animation retargeting with zero errors. But first, hello! I am currently working on a new game called Project Red. Alongside my devlogs, I'll be posting these tutorials as I progress through the game's development to help you out. Godot's animation retargeting is incredibly handy because it lets you share animations across completely different models without breaking a sweat. Let's jump right in. Here's our Rigify model and yes, I am actually using Blender 4 on my phone. If you want to know how to use it on your phone, do comment below and I can make a tutorial on that. To start, download the XSpy kit add-on, jump into pose mode, open the pose drop-down menu at the top, go to conversion and click Rigify game friendly. What this does is change the armature hierarchy to exactly what Mixamo supports as an FBX file. Once that's done, export it as an FBX. Make sure you check only deform bones and turn off add leaf bones. Open Mixamo and upload that FBX file. A quick heads up, if it doesn't work the first time, try again. It will work eventually. The Mixamo site malfunctions sometimes, but your rig is perfectly fine if you followed the earlier steps. Once it loads, search for and download a standard T-pose animation. For more clarity in this tutorial, I am also downloading a turn left animation using the Mixamo default skeleton. Open up Blender again. Import your original FBX file from earlier and then import the T-pose FBX you just got from Mixamo. Delete the T-pose animation. This automatically retargets the animation data because the bone names are the same. Now we need to make this T-pose our default. First, click on the mesh and duplicate the armature modifier. Second, apply the original modifier. Just a note, if your character has clothes, do these exact same steps for the clothing meshes too. Third, click on the armature and go into pose mode. Finally, go to the pose menu, click apply and select apply pose as rest pose. Now your character's default pose is a T-pose, which resolves so many retargeting issues down the line. Now export this as a GLTF file. This step is crucial. Finally, open Godot. Double-click to open the GLTF scene and go into the advanced options. Head to Skeleton 3D. Now, I am not showing the part where I select the bone map and give it the humanoid profile on screen right now. But you need to make sure you create a bone map and assign it the humanoid skeleton 3D profile here. Because my specific character has extra bones, I use the retarget modifier here. If your character doesn't have extra bones, you can skip that part. Click re-import. Then instantiate the scene, right-click it, go to editable children and select make local. Finally, add an animation player node to it. Now we need to create our animation libraries. Open the advanced options of that turn left animation file we got from Mixamo. Add a bone map with the humanoid skeleton profile and click import using all the same settings. Open it as a new inherited scene. Go to the animation player, click animation, then manage animations. Click the little save icon, choose make unique and then save as to create your library file. Open your main model scene. In your animation player, go back to manage animations, click load library and locate that turn left file you just saved. Here's another example using a completely different rig with the exact same animations working perfectly. Before I go, here is some bonus help. Characters' hands are not retargeting properly. This is because Godot uses a different hierarchy for hands. To fix it, you just need to match this specific hierarchy. Here is an example of what that should look like. If this tutorial saved your project, drop a like and subscribe to follow the development of Project Red. Catch you in the next one.